So when you're working with the paint node inside of Davinci Resolve, you can also go around and use the Bezier tool right on animations. So to do that, I'm just going to go around and bring in a paint right here. And then once I do that, over here on the top, let me just go around and select the polyline stroke that is the Bezier tool right here. So if I were to go around, you can see that I can go around and then create a Bezier, as you can see, just like this, and then create out a shape right here. You can go around and change out the Bezier handles and also go around and change the type of Bezier handles right here. So you can experiment around with how you can work with all these, as you can see. You can work around, make it, let's say, for example, something like this. So this is the Bezier handle right here. You can make it more linear, or you can work around with the points, as you can see right here, and make adjustment by using the tools that you see right here. So you can see that this is what you have. You can go around, make this out, make the changes, and so forth. But what you can do around with this is you can go around and then utilize it like a write-on. Let's say, for example, if I were to select this out on the stroke controls, you can see that write-on is an option. So if I were to go around, you can see that the stroke starts and ends right here on a certain section. So let's say right around over here on the 25th frame, I'm going to set a keyframe, and then right around over here on keyframe 70. Let me just go around onto 25, and then for this keyframe, let me just go around and then change this around right here, just like this. So you can see that this is the right on right here, the starting position. Then I'm going to go around right around onto this section, and let's say I'm just going to change around the right on, just like this. So what happens is that you can see the animation going around, and you can go around onto, let's say, the other keyframe right here. Then you can go right around over here and, let's say, increase everything in size. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now if you were to go around onto the beginning, you can see the animation. So you can see that there's an animation and everything completes to make a complete shape right there. So that is how you can go around and use the Fusion Bezier tool, a write-on option inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.